Hey, what's going on YouTube, ThykBody? This is I guess update on me in life and how everything is with Joshua, the new addition in my family. Uh you guys like my hair? Anyways, so I tried to post a video from my BlackBerry and it wasn't uploading. And I done it twice and it still wouldn't upload, so I guess I have to come and use the thing on YouTube. But anyways, um, this video is basically wanting to ask you guys if anybody has experienced their newborn gasping for air, like, and spewing out mucus, like lots of mucus, can't get any air in. Um, my son scared me one day early in the morning, like 6:30. His face was red. He was gasping for air. All this mucus he's spitting up, and it scared me because I couldn't help him. I just wanted to know if anybody else experienced this. I actually came home from the doctor just not too long ago. Doctor's laughing at me saying, "Oh, you know, babies do that, whatever the case is." And I'm like, "Oh, okay, cool." Well, my son never did it, and I know 7 brothers, 7 different minds, or like every baby's different, but that is something that really scares me, and I will continue to watch him at night just to make sure he's okay. And it's always talks about what do you call it, SIDS, sudden infant death syndrome. I read up on this and it scares me, and then when he does that stuff it just scares me even more. I don't put that stuff in my mind. I try not to. It's so hard, at the same time you're there and your son is like gasping for air, and it's just like, what am I supposed to do? But anyways, he's fine now. And everybody says that he looks exactly like how Isaiah did when he was born. You guys be the judge. You guys tell me if this is Isaiah, same baby again that I gave birth to. Well, Joshua was born on the 24th of January, 2 days before Isaiah's birthday, so I wouldn't be surprised if, I don't think they look alike at all. Isaiah was more Michigan tire, rolls everywhere, rolls on rolls, 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 rolls. And Joshua is very skinny and very long. Seeing Joshua now, and looking back when I had Isaiah, Isaiah was a very chunky baby. I thought he was really tall. No. Isaiah wasn't tall. Isaiah was short. Now looking at it, comparing them both, most of Isaiah's newborn clothes cannot fit Joshua. Joshua is like in 6 month, sleepers because he's very tall. Um, or he's in 3 months, not 0 to 3 months. Sorry, you guys. Isaiah, you're not listening to Nana. So it's, Isaiah has been acting out, and I don't know if it's terrible twos or just because he wants attention because of the whole baby thing, but he doesn't cling on to me. He never did. I don't think he cares that I have the baby. Right now he doesn't understand that he cannot play with the baby, so he gets frustrated, but he will, he'll be happy later when the baby's like, 6, 8 months and crawling, and he can, be a big brother. I haven't actually potty trained Isaiah yet because I was very sick throughout my pregnancy, and even now I can't even start now because I do have the newborn and I have to attend to him majority of the time. So Isaiah's still in his diapers and he's not potty trained yet. And because he's big, he can't sit on a regular potty like the ones you can buy from Walmart. I have to get a toilet seat cover and have him sit on the our potty because his butt is big. Isaiah, don't do that. Um, Isaiah doesn't like to listen. He doesn't like to listen at all. Um, Joshua is sleeping through the night. He'll wake up at 4:30 or 5:30, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock for his feed, and he'll go right back to sleep. Um, there was this one night where he was really fussy, and I didn't know what to do, so I was really frustrated that night, and I was very tired. Um, but things have been great. Um, Having two kids is definitely overwhelming, and it is hard work and very expensive, but I think I'm doing a pretty good job so far. Isaiah, get out of there, please. Listen to me sounding all proper. You know, if the cameras are off, I'm whooping his ass. Anyways, I'm joking. um, Sorry, just looking through my BlackBerry. Um, that's pretty much it. How did I recover after the baby? Recovery was rough, and I honestly band up my stomach right away. Like, I band down my stomach right away. I don't. My stomach is roly poly, but I don't. What? Okay, anyways, I don't want it to stay like that, so. Yeah. I don't know. I haven't recorded video in so long, so I'm kind of still like, now it feels like new to me, recording all over again. And always hiding in corners because I don't want family members to watch me record. Feel very uncomfortable. But anyways, I'm enjoying it and everything is good. And I will try and post as much videos as possible. Now this is the time for me to start getting back that body I had 2 years ago, before I had Isaiah. You guys see me at my body from I got pregnant with Isaiah. You guys seen how much slimmer I was, and now you guys see me here, like, so you guys will probably be seeing me look from this to a little bit smaller, a lot smaller. I want to lose 100 pounds. Big commitment, people. But anyways, I will be back. And I will be buying more stuff from eBay so you guys can see. And yes, I got my color palette. I'm so excited. And I'm going to now order my 66 color lip gloss. And it's $2.99, people, for 66 colored lip gloss palette. $2.99, straight from Hong Kong. I swear it's straight from the factory. And shipping and handling might be what, $16. But you can find on eBay, you can find some free shipping. If you click the free shipping button, you'll see the products where shipping is free. I'm going to order a 32 pack of MAC brushes for 15 $99 or $30 straight from the US, free shipping. So 32 pack of MAC makeup brushes. Okay, I'm so excited. But anyways, I'm gonna be out. So deuces.